In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty your Dropbox when it's full. Managing your digital storage effectively is crucial to keeping your workflow organized and ensuring you always have space for your most important files. So, let's dive into how you can free up some much needed space in your Dropbox account. First, we need to navigate to the Dropbox website. Open up your favorite web browser and type in dropbox.com in the address bar. This will bring you to the homepage of Dropbox, a place where all your stored files currently reside in the cloud. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway to accessing all your files. Choosing how to log in is your next step. For those of you who have connected your Google account to Dropbox, clicking on Continue with Google is the most straightforward option. This method simplifies the login process by using your existing Google account credentials, so you don't have to remember an additional password for Dropbox. It streamlines your access in just a couple of clicks. Once you're logged in, your next destination is the Files section. If you're not immediately directed there, look for Files on the left sidebar or in the navigation menu of Dropbox. This section is essentially the heart of your Dropbox account, where all your files and folders are neatly organized, or not, depending on how tidy you are. Now, for the main event, freeing up some space. Start by browsing through your files and decide which ones you're ready to part with. It might be old projects, duplicate files, or anything you haven't accessed in months or years. Select a file that you want to delete by clicking on it. Be thoughtful in your selection. Once a file is deleted, recovering it might not be as straightforward. After you've selected a file to delete, look for the delete option. It might appear as a trash can icon or be listed in a menu depending on the interface. Click on delete to remove the file from your Dropbox. This step is critical in helping you manage your storage quota and ensuring that only the most necessary files take up your valuable digital space. Deleting files can feel a bit final, but remember, it's all about making room for the new and ensuring that your digital storage doesn't become a hindrance to your productivity. One pro tip to consider before you start deleting: think about whether any of these files should be backed up elsewhere. Sometimes what seems unimportant now could be valuable later. An external hard drive, another cloud storage service, or even a USB flash drive can serve as a good backup location before you proceed with deletion. In summary, navigating to dropbox.com, logging in, accessing your files, selecting unneeded files, and deleting them are straightforward steps to help manage your Dropbox storage effectively. Digital clutter can be as cumbersome as physical clutter, so taking the time to periodically review and remove unnecessary files will not only free up space, but also make it easier for you to locate and work with the files you truly need. Remember, the goal here is not just about deleting files to make room, it's about optimizing your digital workspace for efficiency and productivity. Just like tidying up a physical desk, cleaning up your digital files periodically can lead to a smoother, more streamlined workflow. And there we have it. A clean, more organized Dropbox and a happier, more productive you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on managing your digital life with ease.